Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Few dishes balance simplicity and bold flavor like Classic Shrimp Scampi. With its garlicky, buttery sauce and tender shrimp, it's a dish that feels both elegant and easy enough for weeknights. Its Italian-American roots give it depth, while the quick cooking time keeps it approachable. In this video, we'll break down what makes shrimp scampi special, from its history to the must-have ingredients. You'll learn how to perfect the dish, explore fun twists, and get ideas for serving it right. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, there's always something new to discover about this timeless favorite. The origins of shrimp scampi. Shrimp scampi carries the kind of backstory that makes food more than just a meal. It's a bridge between cultures. What started as an Italian dish with a different star ingredient became an American classic with a simple swap. Let's dig into how this dish evolved and why it holds such a special place in Italian-American cooking. Italian roots and American adaptation. The original, scampi, in Italy wasn't about shrimp at all. Italians used scampi, a type of small lobster or langoustine, cooked in garlic, butter, white wine, and herbs. When Italian immigrants arrived in the U.S., they found shrimp more affordable and accessible than langoustines. The dish adapted, keeping the same bold flavors but with a new main ingredient. Over time, the name stuck, even if the key protein changed. American cooks leaned into the garlic butter wine sauce, keeping the spirit of the dish alive while making it work with what they had. This kind of adaptation is classic Italian-American cuisine. Taking tradition and bending it without breaking it. Cultural significance. Shrimp scampi didn't just survive the transition to American kitchens. It thrived. It became a staple in Italian-American restaurants, often listed alongside spaghetti and meatballs as a comforting, familiar dish. Families embraced it for gatherings because it felt special without being complicated. A few reasons why it stands out. Weeknight elegance. It's quick enough for Tuesday dinners but fancy enough for guests. Flexible flavors. The garlic, butter, and wine base adapts to herbs, lemon, or even a splash of heat. Restaurant favorite. It's a menu staple because it's reliable, crowd-pleasing, and easy to execute well. Whether served over pasta or with crusty bread to soak up the sauce, shrimp scampi feels like a celebration of simple, good food. That's why it's still a go-to decades after its arrival in the U.S. Key ingredients for authentic shrimp scampi. The magic of shrimp scampi lies in its simplicity. A few high-quality ingredients, cooked just right, create a dish that's bigger than the sum of its parts. But not all shrimp scampi is created equal. What you use matters. Here's what you need to get it right. Fresh versus frozen shrimp. Shrimp is the star, so quality counts. Fresh shrimp sounds ideal, but frozen often wins for convenience and consistency. Here's what to consider. Fresh shrimp pros. Best texture if cooked the same day. No need to thaw, saving time. Fresh shrimp cons. Spoils faster. Quality varies depending on how long it's been out of the water. Frozen shrimp pros. Flash frozen at peak freshness, locking in flavor. Available year-round. Easier to keep on hand for quick meals. Frozen shrimp cons. Requires thawing, overnight in the fridge works best. Can turn mushy if thawed incorrectly, avoid warm water. Buying tips. Look for firm, translucent flesh. Avoid shrimp with black spots or a strong ammonia smell. Opt for wild caught if possible. They often have better flavor than farmed. Size matters. Medium or large, 16/20 or 21/25 count, work best for scampi. Essential flavor enhancers. The sauce makes shrimp scampi unforgettable. These ingredients build layers of flavor. Garlic. Non-negotiable. Minced fine, it infuses the butter with pungent warmth. Butter. Adds richness. A mix of butter and olive oil prevents burning. White wine. Dry varieties like Pinot Grigio or Sauvignon Blanc deglaze the pan and add acidity. Lemon juice. Brightens the dish. A little zest boosts the citrus punch. Parsley. Fresh flat leaf parsley adds color and a mild herbal finish. Each component has a job. The butter and garlic form the base, the wine lifts it, and the lemon and parsley cut through the richness. Skip one, and the balance shifts. Pasta choices. Pasta is the canvas for shrimp scampi's sauce. Some options hold the dish better than others. Linguine. The classic choice. Its flat shape catches sauce and clings to shrimp. Spaghetti. Works well but can be less sauce-friendly than linguine. Angel hair. Cooks fast but can get overwhelmed by heavier shrimp. Fettuccine. Wider noodles hold up to bold flavors but are less traditional. Zoodles or gluten-free pasta. For lighter or dietary needs, though sauce may not stick as well. Stick to al dente. Overcooked pasta turns gummy under the buttery sauce. Reserve a bit of pasta water to adjust thickness if needed. That's the prep and flavor foundation of shrimp scampi. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll cook it up and plate it like a pro. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.